In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5, and today I would like to show you how you can add password to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Google section over here. Following that, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then click on Continue in the pop-up. Now you can finally tap on Google Password Manager. And if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You can make them visible by clicking on this gear at the top right corner, making sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log in to one of your apps, and hit Save in Google Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here. In order to add another one from those settings, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter website data or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one, like Facebook. Following that, you need to enter your username or email, password, and if you wish to, some helpful notes. When you're ready, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!